Okay, please use that template. Okay, BB squeeze. I want you then to go ahead and build a trading strategy that uses a Bollinger Band squeeze breakout type strategy and include the ADX in that strategy as well. Please make sure to print out the backtest stats of the original. Print them in full. No need to print the plot. And then after printing out the regular stats, then you can go ahead and start optimizing. So essentially, I'll be able to see the stats first, and then you can start optimizing, as that will take a little bit longer, and then print out those stats as well. Use the template in order to see how to do this. I'll create a Bollinger Band squeeze breakout strategy with ADX for you using the template as a guide. Now I'll create a new file. Hey. Build here. Build here, bro. All right, so you can see the AI is creating all this code for me based off of my template. I gave you the template so you have it. Okay, so you can see here, I say accept here, and then let's try to run it. Let's get the error back here if there is one, yes. Mismatch, new values have 6 elements. Okay, let's say here, I got this bug here and you can see my data head here. So let's give it the data head because the elements will sometimes be off, you know? So essentially it says there's 6 columns, but my template had 6 columns because my other data has the comma at the end. It's okay. It's super easy to fix. Just tell the AI what your problem is and just keep iterating, making things better and better and better. I see the issue. The CSV file has 5 columns, but our code is trying to rename to 6 columns. So let's go ahead and fix that. You can see we're using the Bollinger Band window of 20, the BB standard deviation of 2, the Keltner window of 20, the Keltner ATR multiple of 1.5, the ADX period, the ADX threshold, the take profit, the stop loss here. Let's go ahead and say accept. And then let's go ahead and run it back and see what the next error is. Okay, there's no new error. Perfect. We don't need to print all these. Please don't print all these debugs. Please don't print all these debugs. It makes it really hard for me to see the first output. Just show me the first stats and then move on to the optimizing, but no need to print out all the debugging output. Thank you. I'll modify the code to remove the debug prints. Thank you. BB squeeze ADX. Okay, let's go ahead and say accept though. And then we can run this here and see what happens. Okay, there we go. There's our back test. Now, some things that we want to look at on the back test here. You can see the profit factor is 1.08. The expectancy is 0.15. I like to look for an expectancy over 0.2. You can see it's optimizing. It's going to take a while to optimize. There's 342 different things it needs to optimize. Now, be careful when it comes to optimizing and overfitting. Please explain to me the problem with over optimizing and overfitting trading strategies and how to not over optimize. So let's have her explain it to us, but let's also look at some of these stats here. This is just a random strategy. that I just picked out of thin air. You will have a much better strategy if you actually go out and research like I showed you. But you can see the exposure time. This is what I like to look at. I like to look at the return percentage, of course, versus the buy and hold. You can't go back and buy and hold from 2015 of BTC. So just throw this out the window. Okay? You can't go back in time.